Ready to take your adventures to the next level? The new MOD Sidecar is here, packed with upgrades to make every ride better for you, your furry friends, and your favorite co-pilots. First up, the most anticipated feature, our new rear doggy door. It's easy to open, letting your dog hop in and out effortlessly. No more awkward lifting, just tail wags and happy jumps. We've also upgraded the rear reflector to a battery-powered taillight for extra visibility, whether you're cruising through town or exploring the trails. Need to secure your cargo or leash? We've added multiple attachment points at the top of the sidecar to keep everything in place. For even more customization, built-in drill marks let you add new accessories like our new sleek sidecar windshield. Comfort gets an upgrade too. The sidecar seat now features a secure bolt to eliminate vibrations, ensuring a smooth ride for your passenger. And speaking of passengers, the sidecar is ready for anyone, your pup, your kid, or even an adult up to 150 pounds. With a removable seat and seat belt, it's built for fun, no matter who's riding along for the ride. All these amazing features now come standard on every MOD sidecar, because we're all about making your rides better for you and your co-pilots. So where will your next adventure take you? Visit us at modbikes.com to learn more.